I know I shouldn't say what I'm about to say, 'cause it's never okay to go and bring your excess up. No matter what, my second and my third, I hate it got the worst of me. They don't deserve the way that I was treated. I'd leave them. When I knew what I was doing, I was stupid, I was ruined, I was healing. But the healing never happened, and I'm sorry that I did you wrong. To all the ones I ever loved, never let you in enough. Now you're your fault, I gave too much to the first one. To all the ones I ever hurt, always knew it wouldn't work. Now you're your fault, I gave too much to the first one. To the first one. I just can't forget some of the words he said, the memories